After waiting, like I want to say 2 to 3 weeks for this wide body kit, I was so stoked that it finally arrived. The company overboost.com sent me an email to make sure before I sign any paperwork to check every single piece that the kit comes with. Why? Because if there's any damages, I gotta make sure I report it and then sign it and then call them, send them an email, send them photos. And sad to say, I didn't want this to happen because I didn't want to wait to get the other parts, but I had to at this case. But you know what? It's a good insurance. The company did right. They replaced two fenders that were damaged, and I was really happy about that because I got extra fenders for my car. Yes, I got to keep the old ones. I was extremely happy, and also the quality for the price is not bad at all. I paid $1,300 for the kit. Others were gonna cost me 3 to 4 thousand, and I was not trying to do that. But here's the kit. Check it out. I'm stoked. It's an 8-piece kit. I got the front splitter and the rear spoiler. Please do not forget to subscribe and also to join me on this journey to convert this E46 into one of the nicest and cleanest wide bodies out there in this county that I'm in. Probably in the state, but I highly doubt that because there's so many of them out here in the state. But now where I'm from,